Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel. Grafting is not possible in monocots as they lack cambium, are herbaceous, have scattered vascular bundles, have parallel venation. Parthenogenesis is development of embryo without fertilization, fruit without fertilization, fruit without hormones, embryo from egg without fertilization. Natural parthenogenesis occurs in housefly, Drosophila, honeybee, all of the above. A piece of potato tuber will form a new plant if it has branches, stored food, roots, scales, or eyes. Hermaphrodite animal is spider, leech, honeybee, ascaris. Syngamy means fusion of gametes, cytoplasm to similar spores to dissimilar spores. The terms homothallic and monoecious are used to denote unisexual condition, bisexual condition, staminate flowers, pistillate flowers. In animals, juvenile phase is followed by reproductive phase, senescent phase, old age, vegetative phase. External fertilization occurs in majority of fungi, liverworts, algae, mosses. Vegetative propagation in Pistria occurs by sucker, offset, runner, rhizome. Planaria's most remarkable characteristics are its ability to hibernation, survive without air, generate bioluminescence, regenerate. The development of root and shoot in tissue culture is determined by temperature, nutrients, oxygen and cytokinin ratio, none of the above. Fusion of unrelated gametes is called dichogamy. Fertilization, autogamy, none of the above. When living tissue from a plant is extracted and placed in a medium, it is called horticulture, transplantation, explant, none of them. Budding in Hydra is a form of apoptosis, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, none of them. Which is not a method of vegetative propagation? Micropropagation, layering, budding, sowing. In animals, juvenile phase is followed by reproductive phase, senescent phase, old age, vegetative phase. External fertilization occurs in majority of fungi, liverworts, algae, mosses. Sugarcane is propagated by stem cutting, leaf buds, root cutting, seeds. Deposition of calcareous shell around zygote occurs in birds and reptiles, birds and mammals, mammals and reptiles, all of these. Select the option which shows viviparous animals only. Lizard, turtle, platypus crocodile, cow crocodile, whale mouse. Life began in all sexually reproducing organisms as a single cell zygote, double cell zygote, haploid gametes. Fertilization cannot occur in absence of surface water in fucus, funaria, mycelia, all of these. During binary fission in amoeba, which of the following organelles is duplicated? Plasma membrane, nucleus, contractile, all of these. Which one of the following processes results in the formation of colon of bacteria? Regeneration, budding, binary fission, fragmentation. Asexual reproduction is seen in members of kingdom Monera, Plantae, Animalia, all of these. Dash is a life process that is not essential for an individual's survival but for survival of the species. Growth, reproduction, respiration, nutrition. Clones are the individuals that have exactly the same lifespan, physiology, growth rate, genetic makeup. Senescent phase of an organism's lifespan can be recognized by slow metabolism, cessation of reproduction, decreased immunity, all of these. If a fungal thallus has both male and female reproductive structures, it will be called heterothallic, homothallic, dioecious, monoecious. The growth phase of an organism before attaining sexual maturity is referred to as juvenile phase, vegetative phase, both A and B, none of these. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.